When selecting the topic for the project, you should answer yourself some questions. Is it interesting just to you or to others as well? Is it relevant to a public and isn't overdone already? Is it too broad and sticks with the specifics? And the most important, is it realistic to make and you can find materials to do justice to the topic?
People are the most important part of every event. They can easily convert it into a great experience as well as into a nightmare. That's why you should think about it in advance.
First question we ask ourselves is who is the workshop made for? Based on the main topic you need to decide what is your target group.
It can be both diverse groups formed by people from high schools, universities or even youth workers.
Or just group of people with the same focus such as biology students. Then we can prepare tailor-made activities for them.
That's important mainly when they are getting to know each other. First things first. You want to motivate people with more or less same language competencies.
We recommend you to ask potential participants to write a motivation letter first, so you can really find the ones who are into the topic.
You decided to teach, inspire and entertain your participants, but it's not necessary to do it on your own.
You better invite interesting guests who will bring new perspective and share their experience to broaden the context.
Contact local universities, call to the association, engage with the workshop topic or invite someone well known.
For example, for an environmental focused event, you can have a lecture by a local activist or national park director.
Make sure the guests know who is the lesson for and what should be the outcome of the event. Invite somebody with a good presentation skills so the participants stay focused and entertained.
That's why we recommend you to visit your potential guest's lecture first. In any case, always have a backup plan for all unexpected situations. To prevent complications, remind your guests regularly and prepare alternative activities.
Funding is an integral part of any event management. Erasmus Plus programs invest in students and youth programs. An estimated budget of 26.2 billion euros was invested in 2021. It provides an opportunity for over 4 million participants all over Europe for training and educational programs in various different topics. Also, finding partners is one of the very important things of organizing a workshop, and marketing the event to reach different participants is also important. Make sure you reach out to different universities so they send out the emails to the students so you can market the event in a successful way.
What is really important when you're doing an event is, or any different kind of project, it is important to look at the resources as a broader topic than just the finances and the money for your project. It is really important to think about the network of people that you can collaborate with. It is really important to think about the space, the venues, the technical things, the equipment, the materials. Both materials in a material sense, but also some educational materials, some lectures that are in your community that could really give this added value to your project.
And now some advices on how to make your participants feel comfortable during your project. Break the formalities and stay approachable. Ask participants what they need to get started. Tell them that there is no stupid questions nor answers. Let people react to everything that's going on. Make it so even the rules themselves are subject of debate. Next, don't forget the breaks. It might seem obvious, but it really isn't. Make your first one early on so people can get to know each other.
So what about the place?
Oh, what a good question. Saving money is important.
You want a cheap venue? Don't worry, we got you.
Just look for organizations with the same interests and you will probably get a discount, or you will even get it for free.
Go to cities and villages where a lot of events are already happening. These places attract young people and will make it easier for them to join your project.
Keep in touch with participants after your project, ask their feedback and collect this information. This way you can improve your next event.
And let your participants know about upcoming events so they can join the next one. Let's talk about the date of the event. We want to approach young people, so be aware that these guys have exams. Help them pass the exams by avoiding doing the workshops in that period.
Think about how many days you need to achieve your goal. Make sure it doesn't last too long, no longer than 10 days.
So in this video you already heard a lot of useful information about event management, but what is also really important is to have good crisis management plan and to have more than one option for each activity that you are doing. It is really important because when you are planning an event you are never alone, you depend on different people, and different things can happen on the spot, so you always need to be prepared to have some backup idea for something not going as planned. That is why it is also really crucial to have a good team that is working on the event, on the spot. It is really important to have set roles and for everybody to know what is their role in the project or in the event, and to really follow this. Communication in the team is crucial, and you should always be aware of where your team members are and what is their situation. And one thing that is also maybe even the most important is actually to have good resources for making the event. It is not only about finances and about money, but about the network that you have, the other organizations that could help you, some people who are doing similar things as you that can share their experience with you, or even give you some of the resources in sense of the equipment or experts if you're doing some educational workshop or something like that, and to really be connected to other people who are doing the similar things as you, because at the end you will all need each other to achieve your goals, and it is really nice to have more people that you can ask for help, and also to help when they are doing an event. So always think about the network.
And also, don't forget snacks and coffee. It should be available to everyone all the time. And the most important of all, mind your own needs. Keep in mind that you cannot make others feel comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable yourself, take breaks, go to the toilet for 15 minutes if you need so.